Hey everybody, your man Jan here, Logic Living Homes, just down at my steel factory, picking up all my corrugated steel sheets. We've got all different types of galvanized. It comes in different types of powder coating. We've got a welder that makes all of our spiral staircases and all of our different patio holders. We're putting a patio on the second level of our tiny homes, and we have a steel beam that holds up that patio deck up there off the master bedroom. In our largest version of our tiny homes, we're going to have like a washroom right inside the bedroom as well. So it's going to be massive. But I just want to let you guys know we've got amazing amounts of steel here. Forklift is loaded up. This is going on the trailer, and it is ready to rock and roll. And we've got two types of corrugation going on here. We've got horizontal and vertical. And you guys will see how we administer that on the tiny home in a siding and on the roof. And we're also making this little hatchback. So you guys will see this in the upcoming videos. But thank you so much, Calgary. Keep it coming. Keep those sales coming. Love you guys. See you.